never slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
What's up, everybody? All right, so check this out. This new Yamaha TW200 that I just bought, well, it's got a few electrical issues and something is draining the battery. Now, I don't know if it's these heated grips or the JNS headlight install. I don't know, something on here is draining the battery. So we're gonna take off this seat. Now, I've got this trusty 10mm here, and there's a bolt right here that we are going to take off. Oh my goodness. Bloopers 101. All right, so we're gonna take this off here. Now, it's pretty simple. Like I said, there's just two bolts here. So we are going to take this off, and then I am going to invest. There's another bolt, obviously, on this other side. Pardon my head right there. We're gonna take off these two bolts to get to the battery. And then we are going to charge the battery. And then I don't even know if I want to chase. I don't want to, so I don't know if I'll ever find out what's causing it to drain. But if you look right here, this thing already has one of those little pigtail deals. Actually, so the wires ran back over to here. So it's basically right here. I need to get a proper battery charging system that basically allows me to just hook to this. Now, if you've got one of these pigtails, you don't have to go through all this hassle. Just me. I've got to go through it. But anyways, so we're going to set up this battery charger real quick. This here is my trusty car battery charger, and I like to set this thing at the 2 amp mode when I am charging a motorcycle battery. It's kind of like a little slower charge, I guess. I'm no expert, but let's see here. Come on, where's a good connection there? All right, there's a good connection. All right, got my lights. So anyways, that is a quick video on how to take off your seat to access the battery. It's a real simple process, but in the meantime, like I said, I'm gonna get a proper, I wouldn't say proper because not every battery is set up this way, but this has a little pigtail on it, and I noticed when I had the seat off on this one, that one has a little pigtail on it as well. So I'm gonna get me another battery charger where literally I don't have to take off the seat to do that. But if you need to, it's literally two 10mm bolts to take off your seat. Not a big deal. Super easy. That's it. Have a good day. Like and subscribe. Go down, watch some more videos, follow along, because we're gonna make some new videos on this thing. This thing is gonna be my new maintenance video. So keep an eye on some more videos on some maintenance on this thing, on your T-Dub. I am not very good at maintenance on these machines, any of my stuff, but I want to do better. I need to do better. I want these things to last a little while. So we're going to do some things on this to maintain it. Plus, stay tuned for another video on what to look for when you are buying a used Yamaha TW200. I'll go through a little checklist and we'll make us a little checklist. So if you're going to buy one, you can keep an eye on some certain things that you might overlook. Maybe you don't care, but it's important to possibly look at a few things. So stay tuned.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better.